Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna do a review on the James Charles brushes, and I'm gonna see if they're actually worth it because I don't own any Morphe brushes. So I'm going to be unboxing the James Charles brushes, the brushes collection, and I wanted to see if they're worth it. Huge. Okay, so it looks like this, and I'm opening it now. So the whole box looks like this. It's so freaking pretty. Let's see if you can see it up close. This is the whole container. This is really big. Like, it comes like, it all comes with the beauty blender, Morphe E48, the E4 angle contour brush, M433, the blending blush, what the heck, fluff brush. I cannot speak. But they come in a set, like 3 of them. There's 3 of those brushes. Well, like these brushes. They're tiny. Let me see if I can pull it out. Of the oval camouflage brush. Eyebrow brush. There's 2 detail liner brush, so I can use like, let's see if you can see. There's 2 M152. The next one is M527, a pointed powder brush. The next one is, it's a M124. M506, a tapered mini blender brush. And there's 2 of them. But the next one is M405, the contour blush brush. M166, the oval eyeshadow brush. There's the M501, which is the, I think it's like a highlighting brush. Then the next one is M456. One is a M506 tapered mini blender brush. M173. This is a chubby fluffer brush. One is the angle nose contour, and then the other one, M431, M4110, the flat concealer brush. Oh yeah, this is like to carve out your eyebrows. I've been wanting to try like this type of brush to cut my eyebrows and conceal my eyebrows. The deluxe buffer brush, which it looks like this. It's fluffy, it's soft. M441, the blending cut crease. So these are all the brushes from the James Charles brush collection. I feel like they're actually worth it. I feel like they're super soft. I spent I think it was like $135 with the whole coupon code. Yeah, like 140. Let's say like 140. I think they're pretty worth it for $140 and with shipping, just because they give you like every single brush, like detail brush that you need for your eyes, and they give you multiples. And their freaking brushes are expensive, like cada uno they're like $6, $4. and that's why I rather like order this this whole thing instead of just buying like singles at Morphe Ulta. So yeah, but and then it comes with this, so I really like that. And so it's like 2 of them, and then you also get this. So I think it was a pretty good deal, and hopefully they actually last me. And yeah, hopefully you like this video, and I'll see you on my next. Bye guys.